Every day, businesses face countless maintenance challenges. From leaky faucets to broken HVAC systems, these issues can disrupt operations and drain resources. What if there was a smarter solution? A marketplace designed to simplify maintenance and connect you with the right professionals. Meet Sweven, the all-in-one platform for effortless maintenance management. With just a few taps, you can create a work order, detailing the issue and its location. Sweven's system takes care of the rest, coordinating every detail for you. Sweven's smart algorithms match your work order with pre-screened vendors based on your specific requirements. You can also open the job for competitive bids to find the best solution in our vibrant marketplace. For vendors, Sweven provides a steady flow of opportunities. Jobs are matched to their expertise, saving them time and effort in finding new clients. Sweven's system ensures seamless coordination for every step. Vendors can refer work orders they can't handle, ensuring the job gets completed while earning referral rewards. Stay informed every step of the way with real-time updates and notifications. Sweven's Marketplace simplifies follow-ups, ensuring transparency and efficiency for everyone involved. Recurring maintenance is hassle-free. Clients schedule tasks in advance, while vendors receive consistent work without additional effort. Sweven integrates with IoT devices to detect issues early and generate work orders, keeping clients proactive and vendors prepared. Say goodbye to delays. Sweven's system takes care of billing and ensures secure, fast payments for vendors, streamlining financial processes for everyone. With Sweven, clients focus on their priorities and vendors grow their businesses. It's maintenance, simplified for all. Sweven, your partner in smarter maintenance solutions.